What happened? Your key got lost?
Yeah, so the trash can over there, I think I accidentally threw it away.
If I go dumpster diving instead of making you the key, do I get the same amount?
I went dumpster diving.
So yeah, go dumpster diving. No, I'll make you a new key. Oh, you couldn't drive anywhere, so you couldn't even go grocery shopping, huh?
I can't. I'm stuck here.
Oh my goodness. When did it happen?
Yesterday around 5.
Oh, dang.
So not too bad.
Yeah. Maybe it's inside the car?
That's what everyone's saying, but I swear I didn't open it. So if it is, that's fine.
Yeah. But your remote doesn't work, you said, right?
It used to not work. That's been fixed.
Oh, it has been, okay.
Yeah.
Why did it not work? Battery?
Yeah, something.
Wow. I do kind of want to cut a test key on your car, but we'll see. All right, let me read these numbers. Hang on. Let's do a little bit of this. So we're gonna go FF. One option. Look at that, guys. That's what you do when you're not sure. We're gonna cut a test key, and we'll hope it works. Oop. Could not find a test key, so I just cut this one. Oh, it works. Woo. That's good. It's turning off the alarm. Shouldn't. It's clear lights still. It's not going to start unless it's programmed. We've got a Outlander. Let's just see what the other options are. Okay, it's going to be this one. 13 and up. Bladed key. Yes. Control unit. Immobilizer. Remote control learning. Key learning. Alright, confirm working next to me. No. This key is done. Car should start. Yes, sir!